Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. You want to follow Jesus? You want to get the blessing them, where they say you will get if you follow Jesus? You understand the price you have to go pay to follow Jesus? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, no, it's a good time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 14 from verse 25 to verse 35. One big crowd did a walk with Jesus. Him turn to them and say, if somebody come to me and not love me more than how they love them father and mother, wife and pitney, brother and sister, even their own life, them can't follow me. Anybody when no carry film cross and come with me can't turn one of me follower them. Suppose one of you want to build one tower. We sit down first and check out how much it will cost you. So you will know if you have enough money for build it. If you build the foundation and can't done build the tower, everybody will see it. I go laugh after you. Then we say, you start build, but you can't done it. Suppose one king want to go war against another king. Him now go sit down first and think if him 10,000 man can go against 20,000. If him can't win, when the other king still left far from him will send messenger to find out how they can make peace. So, if you don't give up everything, you can't turn one of my follower them. Salt good, but if the taste gone, or it will taste back like salt. It not good for the soil or the manure pile neither. It will dash away. If you have ears for ear, we may say. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.